Starting a giant inflatable bag event business presents an exhilarating and profitable opportunity to cater to a growing market for unforgettable party experiences. In a world craving unique celebrations, inflatable structures stand out, large, eye-catching, playful, and instantly shareable on social media. With low startup costs and high rental demand, this venture can swiftly transform empty spaces into lively venues. A giant inflatable bag, dome, or tent serves as more than just an inflatable. It is a versatile mobile event space. These installations can be used indoors or outdoors for many occasions, such as birthday parties, private events, children's gatherings, festivals, brand launches, pop-up clubs, weddings, and corporate functions. By incorporating lighting, music, seating, or decor, the inflatable becomes an extraordinary experience for guests. Launching this business takes minimal effort and can grow effortlessly. The key investment includes one or several sturdy commercial inflatables or domes, along with an electric air blower. Ground anchors, sandbags, extension cords, and a transport vehicle are usually all that's needed for professional operations. Adding optional extras like LED lights, sound systems, fog machines, themed decor, or flooring can significantly elevate rental value and draw in customers. You can start small with a single inflatable and expand as interest grows. One significant advantage of this business model is its simplicity in operations. No prior event planning experience is necessary to begin. Basic skills, such as setting up the inflatable safely, managing power supplies, communicating effectively with clients, and coordinating bookings are enough to get started. Your skills and confidence will develop with each event, allowing for rapid growth. There are countless ways to profit from giant inflatable bags. They can be rented for birthday celebrations, children's play areas, teen gatherings, baby showers, graduation parties, and backyard events. They are also perfect for festivals, evening events, and corporate functions like product launches, team building activities, and branded experiences. Some entrepreneurs even turn them into pop-up lounges, inflatable clubs, or themed party rooms that can command premium prices for exclusive experiences. The pricing strategy can be flexible and highly profitable. Rentals often charge by the hour or per event, with prices increasing based on size, duration, and added features. A single inflatable can yield robust returns quickly, particularly during weekends and peak seasons. As operational costs remain low after purchasing the inflatable, profit margins become attractive. In today's social media-driven world, reaching customers is straightforward. Platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are excellent for promoting inflatable events, especially with engaging videos showcasing the fun. A WhatsApp business account simplifies bookings, while collaborations with event planners, DJs, schools, and party decorators can create dependable referrals. Listing your business on Google also helps draw in local clients searching for party rentals. Ensuring safety and professionalism is essential for success. Using high-quality inflatables, securing them correctly, monitoring air pressure, and following local safety regulations builds client trust. Clear rental agreements, installation instructions, and basic liability awareness protect both the business and its customers. To stand out against competition, leverage creativity. Offering themed setups, quick installations, versatile packages, and additional elements like lighting and sound enhances the service's appeal. Sharing genuine customer photos, videos, and testimonials builds credibility and encourages word-of-mouth marketing. The more remarkable the experience, the more conversations it generates. Ultimately, a giant inflatable bag event business is about creating unforgettable experiences, not just renting equipment. It transforms ordinary gatherings into extraordinary moments, brings life to empty spaces, and gives people unique reasons to celebrate. With strategic branding, consistent service, and imaginative presentations, this business has the potential to evolve into a powerful and lucrative event brand.